This is an unsponsored video that contains products provided without charge by the manufacturer for demonstration purposes. All opinions are my own. All of Europe, most of Canada, and the residents of 31 states, plus Washington, D.C. What do they have in common? They all have to put a front license plate on their cars. And we're going to talk about the options for the Model Y coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Heider, your virtual dad in the cloud. And today I have a decision to make. I'm going to be getting my license plate soon, and I live in a state, New Jersey, that requires a license plate on the front of the car. Now, if you live in a state that requires a license plate, you're one of 31 states, by the way, but that means there's 19 that don't. I don't know why there's a difference, but regardless, it's something that's decided on the state level. So if you live in one of those states, Tesla will give you a license plate mount that looks like this. And what it does is it sits under here, and it goes on basically with sticky stuff. Ugly, right? And then you put your license plate on that. But I don't think it's removable. I would consider this pretty much permanent. Once you peel these tabs off and stick it on there, it's not going anywhere. You'd probably peel the paint if you had to rip it off. So what does that mean, and why do I care? Well, because there are surrounding states from me that don't require this, like Pennsylvania. Let's say I trade it in, or I want to sell it to somebody in Pennsylvania, or I want to move to Pennsylvania. Well, then I'm left with this eyesore on the front of my car that I really don't need. So what to do? Well, there's options available to you, and one of them that I'm going to show you today is from a company called Living Tesla. This is the SnapPlate. And this is a really interesting design because, first of all, it's made with a 3D printer. These are not something that's mass-produced. And the interesting thing about this is that it attaches to the grille as opposed to a permanent fixture on the car. And this is really pretty cool. You just you turn these things with this little gizmo right here, and you can lock it in place with a screw in the side. But when you turn the gizmo, you put this in right here. There you go. Now I have a license plate mount that does not require any permanent attachment to the car. No glue, no screws, no nothing. And if I want, in the future, it just pops right off. Now the way this works is it's got these little tabs under here that twist and lock it into the grill. And when you, all you have to do is twist this little cam in the front here, and that's what makes those move. So once you lock it into place, you can put a screw in the side here and it'll never go anywhere and nobody can steal it. It comes with a little, looks like a wallet, SnapPlate wallet, with a window cling that says Living Tesla, and a little how-to, and screws. And it even comes with the screwdriver, which is a security Torx bit. It's got the hole in the middle of it. So these are security screws that can never be taken off. So don't lose this, that's for sure. Now they give you black screws as well as silver screws, depending upon the color of your license plate. So that's pretty cool. I'm not actually going to use the silver ones, I'm going to use the black ones. Because until I get my real license plate, I have a little channel branding. Those screws are very tight to begin with. Whoo, baby. All right, let's put this on. That's not going anywhere. And it comes right off. So if I want to take it to a car show, or I go to a state that doesn't require it, I could take my license plate off anytime I want. All right, that's the security screw in the side. There you go, that's in. And now it doesn't turn. I can't take it off without taking that screw out. Good. Now there's space between the bracket and the bumper, and there's flex there, so that you'd have to be going like really fast for it to push that hard, but even if it hits all the way to the bumper, it's not gonna break. So what do you think? Temporary or permanent? I think the temporary is a really cool idea. I like the ability that it's not permanently attached to the car. I can take it off when I don't want it on. I can take it off if I move to South Carolina. I might, you never know. Once again, this is the SnapPlate from Living Tesla. I'll leave a link to it down in the video description below so you can check it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. 31 states plus the District of Columbia. Stupid. New Jersey is one of 31 states that require it. Whew. It's a little windy and a little chilly. 31 states plus the Oh my gosh, come on. They all require a front license plate on their beautiful new Teslas. I'm Chris Hyder, your virtual dad. Did I hit that? I didn't mean to hit it. It just goes on the grill, right, like this. Yeah. It just pops right off. Wonder if that loosens up.
That's what she said.